This guy spent tens of thousands of dollars on YouTube coaches, thumbnail designers, and scriptwriters, then fired all of them, and his channel exploded. I'm going to show you this exact system that's generating thousands of leads per week.
I did it out of a little bit out of frustration and getting pissed off, and I was a bit sick of it. I'd been creating YouTube content for years, and we'd never had like viral success, but it always did okay, and we always did pretty well on search. So what my job is, I specifically work with marketing agencies to help them sell marketing funnels, right? We help people charge $25,000 per project. That's our like little niche, and we always did pretty well. And I noticed that our views were steady, but they weren't growing. And then everyone started talking about this sort of, you got to get on the homepage, you got to go viral, you got to be an outlier, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So we spent thousands, and I kid you not, tens of thousands of dollars on coaches, consultants, courses, freelancers, contractors, trying to crack this code. And I realized I wasn't having fun with YouTube anymore. And I used to really like it. I used to really like creating videos and posting them. And so a friend of mine said, well, why don't you just do a video that you liked to do back in the day? And at least that way you'll have some fun with it. And if it's still I mean, we're talking, the videos were getting hundreds of views. It was pitiful how few we were getting.
Here's what most people miss. He had the business fundamentals right. He helps agencies sell $25,000 funnels and had a proven sales process. The problem wasn't his expertise, it was his content approach. Watch what happened when he changed one thing.
Would I click on this?
Yeah.
That's what I ended up trying to think is, would I click on this thumbnail? And I realized that there's a lot of thumbnails out there that I wouldn't click on, that I was trying to emulate, that I would think, actually, I wouldn't click on that. Because by the way, the thumbnails that are doing well for us, where it's just me in the corner with the whiteboard, I thought I would click on that. When I watch videos and I was like, hey, Mike, here's how to crush your YouTube channel, right? Because that's the content I'm interested in. If someone had a thumbnail like that, I'd click on it. And yet everyone in my group, everyone on my WhatsApp channel, my coach, they were like, don't do this thumbnail. And yet it did perform according to the A/B testing, authentic. It looks like that's the real thing. And that's from what I can understand.
This is the Microsoft whiteboard strategy. He's not actually using screenshots. He's recreating these whiteboards specifically for thumbnails. It looks authentic, but it's strategically designed. This gives you the authenticity people crave while maintaining professional quality control.
5 months ago, we did that bombshell lawsuit, ClickFunnels versus High Level Explained. So not a great title. The thumbnail is distinctly mediocre. I made the thumbnail in like 20 seconds because I was like, I need to put something together. And the video is just me talking through a legal document, which isn't even that interesting. But because the idea is so juicy, that's what get clicked. I think I should be spending more time thinking of ideas and more time thinking of what do my audience want to watch, rather than what do I want to put out.
Notice his framework, 10 ideas daily, stored in a database, then filtered through what his audience actually wants. He's not guessing, he's systematically researching demand first, then creating content. This is the opposite of what most creators do.
I work on my intro first, the first 30 seconds, to make that as hook as possible. Then I go back and think, well, what would the thumbnail need to be and the title in order to get people to that intro? But it's very much that first click and view first. But the intro is really heavily scripted. But the actual script itself, the actual video itself is bullet points, really set unreasonably high expectations. And the second one is make it seem fast, easy, safe, proven, simple. There needs to be a balance between what they believe they can reasonably achieve and what their expectation is.
Here's his exact system. Hook first, then reverse engineer the thumbnail and title to get people to that hook. He scripts the first 30 seconds word for word because that's really where he loses or keeps his viewers. The rest is bullet points because authenticity matters more than perfection in the main content.
My affiliate manager for High Level texted me and was like, what the fuck has happened? What have you done? I was like, I don't know. What have I done? And he was like, you've had more signups in the last week than you've had in the last like 3 months. We shot to like the number 3 or number 2 spot on the affiliate leaderboard, all from having a handful of videos that just did super, 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 super well. And we were doing 10K a month on just like a few hundred views, right? So I was like, imagine what could happen if we were getting 10,000 views consistently per video. The lead magnet I'm promoting in the videos now is just the whiteboard. That's thousands of leads in the last few weeks. It's more authentic. It's like,
Yeah.
it's just a screenshot of the whiteboard. I can use that. I can download it.
Now, this is brilliant. He's using whiteboard as both the content format and the lead magnet. People see the value in the video. Then they want the actual whiteboard for reference later. It's authentic, valuable, and directly tied to what they just watched.
Make $50,000 in 30 days. I thought there's no way anyone's going to click that.
It's not about money quickly, but a reasonable amount of money quickly. If you say like, okay, $5,000, $10,000, I think I can do that.
Let's do the most valuable funnel training you'll ever watch. 10,000 hours experience.
He's cracked the believability code. Instead of promising millions, he promises thousands. Still exciting, but achievable. The 10,000 hour experience gives him authority without seeming unrealistic. This is how you set high expectations that people actually believe.
YouTube's not a video platform. It's actually a thumbnail platform.
You're asking for their time, which is most likely more valuable than whatever money you're gonna charge for.
Even if you send a video to one person, like that skyrockets your authenticity because you're like, I'm so confident in this, I've documented it.
This perspective shift changes everything. You're not making videos, you're buying attention with thumbnails, then paying for that attention with massive value. Every minute someone watches is more valuable than what you'll charge them. So you better deliver. If you want the exact frameworks we use to help our clients apply strategies like this, check out our studio program below. And tell me, what's one professional thing you could strip away to make your content more authentic? Comment below.